This is Ted Cat at Landmark Dodge in Athens. What we're looking at here is our 2010 Chevy Avalanche. About 150,000 miles on it. But quite the value for a truck. We are selling this for under $14,000. Fresh set of tires. Covered back end, trailer attachment. This vehicle has leather seats, driver's seat memory, heated seats, passenger, driver as well. This is quite the value for a truck. This is Ted Cat at Landmark Dodge in Athens. Come down here and check it out. Give me a call, 702-606-6767.